6 minus 3 equals 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present. We do have a multiplication operator present in between, and we also have parentheses present. And according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 6 minus 3, that gives us 3. Our expression simplifies to 6 minus 3 times 3. Now we have two operators present here, subtraction and multiplication, and according to the rules, multiplication has higher priority over subtraction, so we need to solve this multiplication first. 3 times 3, that leaves us with 9, and finally 6 minus 9, that equals minus 3, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.